Inbound, number 16, pass to number 18. Number 18, binababa na ang bola. Number 18, sumalaksak. Still by number 21. Pero nakuha pa rin ang kalaban. TSLB team ang bola. Number 5, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Binigay kay number 18. 16. Who's foul? Wala, outside ba? Number 2, Bayot, binababa ng bola. Bayot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Binaba ng bola. Sinalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 5. Pass to number 16. Pero nabitawan outside. Keeper on team ball. Inbound, number 18. Pass to number 2. Number 2 will dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Sinalaksak, Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 21. Oh, troubling violation. Inbound by number 18. Pass to number 10. Number 10, binaba na ang bola. Back to number 18. Pinasa kay number, 3 seconds. Violation. Keeper on team ball. Inbound, number 2. Pass to number 18. Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 2. Bayot, jump shot. No good. Going to number 21 on bola. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Going to number 5. Jump shot again. No good again. Going to keeper on team. Number 18. Kinaba ang bola. Pass to number 6. Jump shot. No good. TSLB team ball by number 10. Number 10. Sumalaksak. Nabitawan ako ng keeper on team ang bola pinigay din number 18. Number 18. Sumalaksak, umikot, pero nabitawan. Ako ng number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Shot by Luke. Very good. Number 2, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 18, pass number 10, back to number 18. Number 18, nababa na ang bola. Remaining time, we have 5 minutes and 13 seconds to score 5-4. Jump shot. No good. Going to number 10 ang bola, jump shot. No good again. Still by number 18, jump shot. No good. Now rebound. Oh, foul. Play number 18. Timeout. TSL. Okay. Inbound. Naku, mawawarning ko yan for delaying the game. Yan, tatlo na sa last one player. Isang player pa po. Okay, good. Inbound. Number 7, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Binababa na ang bola. Bayot, dribble the ball. Bayot. Malaksak. Bitawan. Nakuha ni number 20 ang bola. Still nakuha naman ng Tiburon team ang bola. Pull shot. Number 2, Bayot. Inangat. Block by number 18. Nakuha pa rin ni Bayot ang bola. Number 2. Gahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 21. Number 21. Binigay niya number 8. Number 26, no good. Pass break number 18. Pero racing number 18 ng Tiburon team. Number 18. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Jump shot. Nailed in. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Senator Bong Revilla. Sumalaksak. Pinira. No good. Sayang. Outside to the wrong team ball. Malas lang siya. Number 2, Bayot. Binaba na ang bola. Pass break to number 26. Mark Tagaiwa. Pass to number 21. Jump shot. Pursue. Good crowd. Number 10. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20 again. Rebound. Nabitawan ang bola. Number 26. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7. Pero nakuha ni number 18 ng PSLD at him. Number 18. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. People on team. Pass to number 18. Marquez. Dribble the ball. Marquez. Sumalaksak. Pero take shot. Binigay niya number 21. Pass to number 7. Block foul. Block foul. Number 20, first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Pasok na po kaya alis na yung bus. Okay, substitution rep. Ayan, dalawang senator na. Ayun, dalawang senator na. 1 point! Mula sa tirang Pedro, last Russian to Pedro. Ayan, happy viewing nga po pala kay Mr. Black 9. Nasa blue bench. Okay, keeper at PSLB team ball. Inbound. Inbound by number 15. Senator Bato. Number 15, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass to number 20. Binigay number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21 ng Tiburon team. Number 21, binababa ang bola. Still, pero nakuha pa rin ng number 26 ang bola. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7, sumalaksak. Foul by number 11. Number 11. First personal foul, third team foul is brought to you by Robas. Kapag single ka, mamamabas
7-5 lang yan. 7-5.
magtatagal ka.
Ang score 7-5 lang.
Number 18, Marquez, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, TSLT India. Pass break to number 11. Number 11, Trinidad. Trinidad, dribble the ball. Number 11, to shoot. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21, Tiburon team. Number 21, pinaba ang bola. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Binigay kay number 26, Mark Tagaiwa jump shot. No good. Pushing foul. Who's foul rep? Number 23. 28, sorry. First personal foul, warning to penalty. 50-50. Inbound number 26, pass to number 0. Tumama kay number 20, nakuha ng bola. Pass break, ang lakas. Outside, Tiburon 2. Pass to number 18, back to number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Binaba na ang ball. Bayot, dribble the ball. Last 40 seconds. Foul. Offensive foul by number 21. First personal foul.
Sino ba? Ang pula? Second na, second.
Second na pala. Second personal foul. Okay, remaining time is 39 seconds. Score 5-7 in favor of Tiburon team. Number 21, pass to number 20. Inangat, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul?
Bayot.
Number 2, Bayot. First personal foul. Second team foul. Last 30 seconds. Who checks the punch from? No good. Last one shot. No good again. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Number 18. Yumalaksak, kumigo, tinira. For 2 points. There we go. Number 21. Last 15 seconds. Still get number 18. Number 18. Oh, to double violation. Remaining time is 11 seconds. Number 20. 10 seconds. To doubling violation. 9 seconds. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 7 plus number 2. Back to number 7. 5 seconds. Number 21. No good. Number 18. For 2. Pasok ba? Counter. Saktong-sakto. Buzzer beater. May nanalo na. The end. Oo nga, dito dapat kayo sa kabilang Tiburon team. Yan. Okay, Tiburon team. Number 7, inbound, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Ready to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 21. Ingat. No good again. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Binaba na ang bola. Number 19. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Jump shot. For 2 points by Senator Baco. Number 7, Papilio, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, jump shot. Wow, for 3. Number 19, binaba na ang bola.
Senator ba to?
Number 15, sumalaksak, jump shot. 2-3 point. Inbound number 7, pass to number 2. Number 2, back to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 3, number 6. Number 6, fake shot, fake pass. Binigay kay number 21. Number 21, pass to number 7, 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 80, pero nakuha ni number 20, pass to number 19. Number 19, Simbula. Binaba na ang bola. Sinalaksa pero sinasa kay number 18. Pass to number 19 again. Still by number 7. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Sumalaksa. Nilayap. Foul. By number 20. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots to Patrick.
Stop.
Wala na. Dapat kanina pa.
Pangalawa.
Pag pumasok na. 1 point.
Pumasok yung pangalawa.
Last 1 shot to Patrick.
Mamaya.
Mamaya na po.
Wala mo sumilas eh. Pag pumasok.
Pag pumasok po yan.
Para sabi.
Sabay na. Sabay na. 1 point again. Subdivision rep. Subdivision rep. Subdivision. Subdivision rep. Inbound, number 7. Pass to number 18, 13. Number 13, binaba ang bola. Back to number 7, Dejaro. Binigay kay number 15, back to number 7. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 19, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 7, pass to number 2, back to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 26. Jump shot. For 2.
Ronald, sumalakpak.
Oh,
Sumalakpak.
take it down.
Technical
Number
number
19.
for clapping.
For clapping. Okay.
Ano yan?
First personal foul.
Ilang shots yan?
Isa lang.
1 shot. 1 shot. Oh, yes. 1 point. Wala sa tirang foul throw ni number 26, Mark Cagiwa. Inbound number 7, pass to number 13. Number 13. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 18. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 7 ang bola. Pass to number 19. Power. No good. Rebound by number 21. T. Buronti. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Dribble the ball. Binigay kay number 6. Pass to number 26. Fake pass. Binigay kay number 6 ang bola. 8 to shoot. Still by number 18. Back pass. Nakakuha ni number 7. Easy 2 points by number 7. Dejaro. Number 2, Bayot. Binaba ang bola. Bayot, dribble the ball. Gahanap na papasahan. Nakita sa number 6. Number 6. Back to score by number 7. Ako ni number 16 ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Back to number 16. Oh, outside. The rain begins. And it's keeper on team ball. Number 2. Going down. Number 21. Sumalaksak. Tinira. Foul. Ooh. Number 16. First personal foul, second team foul. One point! Mula sa tirang foul from number 21. Last one shot. to pass around. No good. Bitawan, nakuha pa rin. Oh, foul. Number 6 ng Tiburon team. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound number 18.
Tamaan kayo dyan.
Asir.
Wala kayo sa pasuan.
Pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang ball. Number 7, dribble the ball. Ganit na papasahan, binilik ng number 18 ng ball. Sumalaksak. Oh, tinira. No good. Ako ni number 6 ng Tiburon team. Pass to number 21. Cross to number 0. Ako ni number 16 ng PSLBA team ang bola. Pinasa kay number 19. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. Foul. Number 26. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots to background. Pag pumasok po yung pangalawang tira. No good. Last 1 shot to background. Don't do it again. Tiburon team ball. Upper solution right. Substitution. 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 Yan. Labas po ang lalabas. Pasok ang papasok. Substitution. Substitution. Okay. Inbound. Inbound, number 7, Pavillo, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot, dribble the ball. Bayot, sumalaksak. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola, pinasa kay number 21, John Cat. El Pao. Number 7. First personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. One point. Wala sa tirang Pagro. Last 1 shot to Pagro.
Lumaboy pa rin ito. Baka naman ito. Ang laro. Lumaboy pa rin.
1 point again.
Not counted.
Huh? Not counted. Not counted. Not counted. Rebound number 7. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Back to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 19 again. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 7 ang bola. Dejaro. Dejaro. Dribble the ball. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Score 13-21 in favor of Tiburon team. No good. The team is back. Kuha pa rin ni oh! Anong tawag? Foul. Number 2. Bayot. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Rebound number 19. Pass to number 13. Back to number 19. Inangat. No good. Follow up. No good again. Black. Rebound number. Still by number 21. Number 21. Oh. Back to you. Foul rep. No number. Number 2. Number 2, first personal foul. Warning to penalty for 2 points. Nakirang spot ni number 13. Pinababa ang bola ni number 2, Bayot. Bayot, dribble the ball. Turn to shoot. Number 21, jump shot. No good. Going to number 19, pass break to number 5. Number 5, jump shot for 2 points.
Ball.
Wow. Number 12.
Kailangan nakasalita.
Pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, sinira. No good. Hold on by number 19. Pass to number 7. Number 7. No. Defensive foul at number 13. Sino 13? Number 12? 13. Ah, ito pala. First personal foul. Time out. Iboron team. Hello, sound check. Yeah. Number 2, Bayot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, sinira, nakakuha ng foul. By number 19. Second personal foul, running to penalty. Hello? Hello. Remaining time was 56 seconds. No good. No good again. Outside, Tiburon team ball. Number 18. Foul. First foul, right? Number 21. Second personal foul, penalty. No good. Last one shot to Fagra. Yeah. Pagkatapos pala ng Obus, Berna, ang bilis. 1 point! Berna. Binabawang by number 7, Dejaro. Last 45 seconds. 42 seconds. Number 5, take shot, jump shot. No good. Number 19, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 32, pass to number 2. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Outside. Sing. Last 22 seconds. Jump shot. Oh, technical. Number 7, right? Second personal foul, number 7. Ay, galing na natin. 1 point. Okay na, ito yun. Alright. Rebound. Number 12, pass to number 32, jump shot. No good.
Last 10.
10 seconds. Number 19, pass to number 14. Number 14. Hitting again number 7, Genaro. 5 seconds. Number 5, jump shot. No good. Okay, halftime break na. Magbabalik agad ang slam dunk.
Kami sila lang nag-usap talaga.
No good. Okay, inbound. Number 7, pass to number 13. Number 13, back to number 7. Pass to number 15, jump set. No good. Winning number 7, ang Tiburon team ang bola.
Binamana ang bola. Ipinasa pero na-disgrasya.
Outside. Inbound number 15, TSLB team. Pass to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Big shot. Pinasa pero yun. Kick ball. Tiburon team ball. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 7, pass to number 26. Number 26, stop in po tayo mamaya. Pass to number 7. Number 7, sumalaksak, pero pinasa kay number 6. Number 6, tell to shoot! Pass to number 26, 5 to shoot! Number 7, inamat, no good! Number 21, jump shot for 2! Hello. Yeah. Number 7, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6, Tiburon team. Pa rin yung number 7, all through rubbling violation. TSLB team ball.
Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 13.
Binigay kay number 7, ang Dejaro jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, pinira for 2 points. Number 20, nakatayo lang. Rebound, number 21, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Number 7, dribble the ball. Turn to shoot. Break in. Dribble the ball. Destroy by number 13. Number 13, binaba ng bola. Number 13, pinasa. Pass to number 7. Alam ko, tinira na. Number 7, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, pero pinasa kay number 20. Jump shot. Oh, no good. Nakuha ni number 18 ng bola. Umigot. At pinasa kay number 6. Jerus. No good. At hirang isa. Nakuha na ng number 7 ng TSLB team ang bola. Number 7, jump shot, no good. Winning number 18, Tiburon team ball. Number 18, Marquez, jump shot, no good. Foul by number
18. Number 18.
first personal foul, first team foul. Inbound po tayo mga sir. Ayan, nag-aantay na po ang ating referee. Inbound, number 13. Okay, pass to number 7. Dejaro, binaba ang bola. Dejaro, dribble. Pass to number 13. Number 13, back to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Turn to shoot. Jump shot. Sinugang ka pa for 3 points by Dejaro. Number 7 going down. Pass to number 26, De La Cruz. Binigay kay number 6, Jerus. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 6 ang bola. Pinira for 2 points. Jerus, 2 points. Dejaro, binaba na ang bola. Dejaro, sumalaksa pero still with number 26. Number 26. Pinababa ang bola. Bitawa pero nakuha ni number 7. Number 7, Pavillo. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin, Kickball. TSLB kickball. Timeout. TSLB team. Skipping Ewing touch. Oh, nagkukulito na naman. Inbound number 16, pass to number 10. Number 10, binaba ang bola. Lorenzo. Binigay kay number 18, sumalaksak. Tinira, foul. With foul, rep. Number 21. Number 21, third person. Oh, my God.
Pala sila.
Second,
Na lang.
first personal foul. First team foul.
Ibang 21 pala yung
Ibang 21 daw yun. Tama nga naman. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Inbound, number 6, pass to number 7. Number 7, binabahan ang bola. Papilio, binigay kay number 26, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, fast break. Oh, foul. By number 21. Huh?
second, third.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. Okay, inbound ball doon. Inbound. Substitution rep. Number 21 out. Number 21 in. Parang ang gulo, no? Inbound number 10. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Dribble the ball. Number 21. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Inangat. Foul! Foul! 10. It's foul right. Number 6. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. Winning the penalty.
Kabila na. Ano na, PSLB.
TSL. Lamang na. 1 point. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang TSLB team. Number 7, pass to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Number 18. Back to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Number 7, sumalaksak. Pero pinasa kay number 6, jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score all 29. Number 21, pass to number 20. Oh, outside the radius. Keep it on team ball. Ang hirap basahin ng mga apelido. Mamaya, palapitin natin. Number 26, binababa ang bola. De La Cruz, pass to number 18, Marquez. Marquez, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ng keeper on team ang bola. Number 7, dribble the ball, Papilio. Pass to number 18, 8 to shoot. Number 18, dribble the ball, 5 to shoot. Number 6, 2 to shoot. Is there by number 18 ng TSLB team. Number 18, tinira na, no good. Rebound by number 26, De La Cruz. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 6. Foul. Get a foul, ref. Number 16. Second personal foul, first team foul. Substitution, ref. Substitution, ref. Among the Number 2, Bayot. Bayot, pass to number 26, Derek Cruz, jump shot. No good. Running number 16 ang bola. Pass to number 21, Anto Pesto. Number 21, jump shot for 2 points. Number 21, 2 points. Antay Puesto. Number 21, dribble the ball. Number 21, pass. Nakuha pa rin ang tipo ng team ang bola. Number 6, Jeruz. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 18. Number 18. Sumalaksa. Tinira for 2. By timeout, Tiburon team. Parang ang sarap ba? Inbound, number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7, binabanga ang bola. Remaining time left 1 minute and 15 seconds to score 29-33 in favor of TSLB team. For 2 points. Inbound number 20, pass to number 16, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Number 10, last 1 minute. Number 18, sumalaksa. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, is still there. Number 21, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot, dribble the ball. Bayot, dribble ang bola. Pass to number 21, binigyan number 26, Sela Cruz. No good. Ang tirang strike. Nakuha ni number 10, pass to number 20. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16, oh! Outside the rain begins. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 26, pass to number 7. Pabilio, binigay number 2, Bayot. Last 30 seconds. Bayot, pass to number 26, goal. Nakuha ng foul. Number 16, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots to Pagro. No good. Next game ay susunod na. Ano kaya natin ng shape? What? Yan, binabang ni number 18 ang bola. Number 18, pinasa ni number 10, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 2 ang bola. 15 seconds. Oh, anong tawag ba? Outside? Outside lang? Tiburon team ball. Remaining time, last 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Remaining time. Number 21, Itama. Itama. Tiyama pala. No good. Sorry. 5 seconds. 3. Number 26, Cruz. No good. Sorry. Tiyama pala. The ball team. Parang ayaw pa nila. Ang pag-ibig sa buhay ko, ngunit bakit naman ganun? Walang tiwala sa akin. Okay, inbound, number 2, Bayo, pass to number 18, Marquez. Marquez, back to number 2, Bayo. Bayo, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21, Tiyama. Sumalaksak, Tinama. Walang foul. Who's foul? Foul? Number 21. 19 down. 12 personal foul. First team foul. Two shots to Buzzrow. No good. Last one shot to Buzzrow. One point. You score all 33. Number 7, Beharo. Pass to number 21, back to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Number 7. Pass to number 30. 21. Number 21, pass to number 13, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6, Stephen Ronkin. Number 6, dribble the ball. It's still with number 21. Number 21, pass to number, outside. So great begin. Stephen Ronkin ball. Rebound, number 18. Rebound, number 18, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Number 2, sebelah jump shot. No good. Number 13 ang bola. Still by number 2, pass break to number 18. Number 18, tinira na, Purdue pass. Rebound number 20, pass to number 13, pass number 13, pass to number 19. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 21, Tiyama. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot, binababa ang bola. Bayot, dribble the ball. Lifting, right? TSLB 18 ball. Lifting, violation. Rebound, number 7. Rebound, number 7. Pass to number 13. Number 13, back to number 7. Beharo, jump shot. No good. Number 21 ang bola ng TSLB ATM. Number 21. Jump shot. No good. Number 19. No good again. Rebound by number 6. Stephen Ronkin. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Bayot. Sumalaksak. Tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Beharo. Foul. Number 7. ng TSLB team. Number 7, third personal foul, second team foul. Hoy, idol, sinito. Number 18, binabaan ang bola. Pass number 21, Tiyama, sumalaksak, tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola ng TSLB team, Beharo. Libre-libre, easy layup for 3 points. Number 2, inbound. Pass to number 18. Number 18, that's number 2. Number 2, binabaan ang bola. Number 2, Bayot, sumalaksak. Dribble, violation. Time out. TSLB team. 15 new weekend. Ulit. Bossing, wala nang checkpoint dyan. Magubad ka na ng helmet mo. Idol. Chinito. Oh yeah. Walang humpayin na kwentuhan. Ayan. Basta. Hindi mo tatanda. Di ba ko ay ganito? Okay. Back to the ball game. Inbound, number 19. Pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba ng bola. Back to number 19. Number 19. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Still there. Oh! Foul! 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 Number 19. Number 19. Warning to Broadway. 13 foul. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Score all 35. Rebound number 7, pass to number 18. Number 18 is still there, number 21. Number 21, in the match. Blocked by number 7. Same ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Dalawang senator rin. Substitution rep. Rep. Substitution. Number 18, pass to number 20, take shot. Jump shot. Foul. Foul pass. Who's for rep? Number? Six. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots to Contrell. No good. One shot na pala. All counted. Anong tawag? Wala, hindi ko na sagot eh. Rebound. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Bayan. Pass break to number 21. Kiyama. Back to number 2. Oh, may pasa ka agad to number 7 ang bola. Buti ka na. Number 7. Back to number 2. 8 to shoot. Inamat. No good. Rebound by number 15. Solis. Solis. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 21. Back to number 15, Solis, inamat, no good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola ng keeper on team. Number 7, pass to number 2, Bayot. Jump shot, no good. Number 6, for 2 points. Inbound, number 20, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola, Dejaro. Dejaro, dribble the ball. Dejaro. Time to shoot! Jump shot! For 3 points. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 21, Kiyama. Kiyama, tumalaksak. Oh, traveling violation. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Anti-history rep. Okay, inbound. Inbound. Number 7, pass to number 18. Number 18, going down. Number 18, dribble the ball. Alcones. Pass to number 20, binigay kay number 7 ang bola. Tejado, jump shot, no good. Tapos karoon na ni number 21 ang bola. Tiama, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 26, De La Cruz. Fake shot, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 20, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba na ang bola. Tejado, dribble the ball. Ten to shoot. 8 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Troubling violation. People on team ball. Remaining time. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. We score 27-14 in favor of PSLD ATM. Number 6 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass break to number 2 ng people on team. It's down by number 21, pass to number 7, Tejado, for 2 points. 2 points. Laki bagay. Inbound number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7, binaba ng bola. Number 7, pass to number 6. Number 6. Oh! Save! Inbound number 26. Pass to number 21. Tiama, in and out. Foul! Balik. Ganda ang pasabi. Who's forward? Teka lang po. Sino foul? Number 20. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. Last 1 shot to Palsura. One point. Inbound number 20, pass number 18. Number 18, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, 3 ball, the ball. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. For 2 points. By number 21. Number 2. Pinababa ng bola. Pass to number 21. Tiama. Sumalaksa. Oh, two-leveling violation. Inbound, number 16. Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, pababa na siya. Tejado, dribble the ball. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Score 38-44 in favor of PSLB and number 21, jump shot. 15 points. Inbound number 21, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Number 7, Pabilio. Oh. Save! Goal. Last 10 to shoot. Number 21, Tiama. Foul. Number 21. Number 21. Third personal foul. Penalty. May time out ba sila? Meron pa. TSLD. Keeping you in touch. No good. Tusha. May dalawang tira pa mula sa Paltro. Si number 21, Tiama. Oh, isa pa.
Pumasok, boss. Pasok ka din.
Last one shot to Paltrow. Yeah, pwede na. No good!
Ayan, pwede na.
Team ball, team ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Okay, inbound, number 6. Number 6, passing up is still in number 21. Napasa kay number 7, Tejado. Tejado. Pass to number 16. Oh! Umilaw. Line in.
Ano daw? Step on the line.
Number 7, pass to number 2, by number 2. Jump shot to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 7. Jump shot. No good. Number 16. For 2 points. Ayan, 10 na po ang laman ng PSLB team. Meron pa tayo natitirang 1 minuto at 6 na segundo. Number 2. Bayot. Jump shot. No good. Technical. Tumapir.
21. Landing spot.
Landing, landing spot. Dapat ano? Number 21, warning to Broadway. Landing spot.
Technical, labas.
Labas na po dahil technical po yan.
Pumasok na. Pasok ka.
1 point. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution. Substitution.
Oo. O, tama ko. Time out! Tibo Red Team. Ang oras na natitira ay 1 minuto. Last 1 minute. The score 39-48 in favor of PSLB team. Sakto, 1 minute. Ayan. Sir, kamusta po yung panonood ninyo, sir? Kamusta naman po yung panonood ninyo? Okay, back to the ball game. Payawal! You know. Ano yung siyang dito? Inbound, number 18, Algones. Algones, pass to number 19. Number 19, dribble the ball. Last 52 seconds. 50 seconds. Oh. Number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, last 47 seconds. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 18. Hinira, no good. Going number 21 ng Tiama, Tibo ng team, Tiama. Binaba na ang bola. Tiama, dribble the ball, pass to number 3. Number 12, pass to number 2, Bayot, jump shot. 3 points. Last 31 seconds. Oh, wow. Number 2, Bayot. Number 2, warning to Broadway, 13 fouls. Inbound, number 19, pass to number 5. Number 5, go to the ball. Same ball. Last 25 seconds. Inbound, number 5. Pass to number 20. Bigay number 19. 20 seconds. Transition. Foul. Number 2. 12. Number 12. First personal foul, running to penalty. Inbound, number 18. Pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 19. Binigay ka number 5. Number 5, jump shot. No good. Oh, traffic, pero outside. Last 7 seconds. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa yan.
Dalawang 3 points lang yan, no?
Ay. 5 seconds.
3 points. Basket.
For 3.
Wala na.
The end of the game. Sakura na po. Kaya? And the winner is ESL Big Deal.
Nag-reset na eh.
At yung muna na-reset agad.
ESL.
Hindi, pag-post ko, kala nga wala ko.